Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now guys, I know you haven't seen me in a few weeks now, and for very good reason. I got super sick. My husband came from work a few weeks ago with a really bad cold, and even though he tried to quarantine himself on the third floor, because we have a third floor in the house, we somehow got sick. So it was first my son that got sick after, and then me shortly after that. So if I do sound a little hoarse, it's because I'm still kind of sick, but I figure I record a video for you guys now that, thank God, my son is mostly better and I'm mostly better. So I'm sorry you guys haven't seen me in a few weeks, but I had to take care of my family. Family comes first. Thank God it wasn't COVID. We both tested ourselves, me and my husband, we both tested ourselves and we both came out negative and we're all vaccinated, so that's very good. But yeah, so we're gonna get along with this video today. What am I showing you? I'm showing you guys everything that I purchased in relation to Crocs. You guys know that Crocs had recently came out with a Clueless x Croc kind of collaboration that was solely sold in the Zappos website. So I did get all the items that I had wanted to get. I'm gonna show you guys. Now the really cute thing is they came in boxes. I thought this was really cute because most of the time when you purchase Crocs, especially in the Crocs website, they come, you know, as is. They don't really come in a box. But sometimes when you purchase from Zappos, you'll get them in boxes. And this Clueless x Crocs collaboration came in boxes, so that was good. Now the first item that I want to show you guys that I purchased, of course, is the Cher Crocs. I saw them and I fell in love with them. If you guys don't know what Clueless is, maybe you're too young. But Clueless for me growing up was one of my favorite movies, and this is basically one of her signature outfits. So this is the Cher Crocs. I love them. They're super cute. I love this chain. It actually comes attached onto the Crocs. And when you purchase the Crocs, these little jibbitz came with it. And then the other jibbitz you had to buy separately, of course. But this is what they look like up close and personal. You want to look at them with the chain down. This is what they look like. Really cute. I love them. They're in my favorite platform style, which is perfect. If you guys haven't tried the platform style, I definitely recommend. I love them. They're super comfortable. So yeah, this is what they look like. And I got them in my usual size women 9. And I just love the box. I think it's really cute. The tissue paper inside says Crocs. So really cute little attention to detail. I will be keeping the boxes because I just think they're so cute. My next pair of Crocs that I purchased I want to show you is the Dionne Crocs. Now if you've seen the movie, you know that she had basically the same outfit as Cher but in black. So this is the Dionne Crocs. Super cute, same chain. This one has like a gold chain instead of the silver. But I think it's adorable. And these are in like the classic style, so the classic Crocs. And I got them in the same size, a women's size 9. And they also came with the 2 jibbitz here. So really cute. I love the chain here on the side. So yeah, this is what they look like. Now, Clueless x Crocs also came out with a tie Croc, which was like a slide, which I wasn't too like fond of. I have slides, but I wasn't too wowed by like the baby powder blue slide, so I didn't purchase that. But I did purchase the tie jibbitz. And they also came out with an amber Croc. The amber Croc is basically a leopard Croc with fur inside. I wasn't wowed by that either. I didn't even purchase the amber jibbitz because I don't know, I didn't like them, to be honest. So of course I did purchase the Cher jibbitz. It came in a little set. It came in this package. I'm going to open it up for you guys so you guys can see. So this is the Cher jibbitz collection. It came like this in one little set. I thought it was so cute. This is adorable. I also purchased the Dionne jibbitz. Okay, same packaging. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. I love the Dionne jibbitz as well. The cute little rose, the Clueless, the little gold chain, the red little gem. I thought it's cute. The rose, this cute little So this is what it looks like up close. Really cute. I love these little jibbitz. I think they're so cute and they're gonna complement the Crocs very well. And then I purchased the tie jibbitz. Now I thought to myself, since I'm not purchasing the tie Crocs because they were slides, why don't I just make my own? And now you guys know, if you aren't new to my channel and you have seen my previous Crocs videos, I did a Cruella de Vil kind of Croc, kind of my style. So I figure, why not do a tie Croc? So I did purchase her jibbitz because I really loved her jibbitz. So this is what her jibbitz look like. Like the little iconic cassette tape that she burns in the fireplace. I was like totally bugging. It's like her famous line that she says. And the little gem is cute in the baby blue. So what did I do? I purchased some baby blue Crocs. I thought would be perfect. Now these I got in the Crocs website. I thought it would be perfect with these jibbitz. So I'm definitely gonna put these on here. And maybe probably put some other ones, but this is one of the new colors. This is the ice blue. So I thought this would be really, really cute. Along with that, I did purchase an evil eye jibbit. Again, I got this in the Crocs website. I thought it was really cute, and I think it'll go good with the baby blue Crocs. So I got this. Also, I saw on the website they had adorable little Valentine's Day jibbitz. So I got them both. I got these that came in a set. And I might put these on the baby blue ones. Not sure. Maybe, maybe not. If I don't, then I'll probably get some Crocs to go with it. But I love these jibbitz. I think they're so cute. And then I got these, which are other kind of like little heart Valentine's Day jibbitz. I thought they were really, really adorable, so I got them. So yeah. So I'm really excited with what I purchased. And this is going to be like a short little sweet video just showing you guys what I purchased. My next video will be, of course, me styling all of them, putting the jibbitz on. So you will be seeing that. So yeah, I hope you liked this video of me showing you kind of a little mini haul, a Crocs mini haul. And I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.